Hi, this video is about the padded transfer bench commode. This is such a great option because it's a transfer bench that allows you to transfer the user into the bath or shower. You'll see how wide it is. So we have one section that sits in the bath or shower and the other section that sits out of the bath or shower, and that allows you to transfer the user over on the side into the bath or shower. This transfer bench also has a commode option, and it's very comfortable. It's nice and padded, and also the backrest is padded too. So when you receive it, it comes assembled. The bath seat is assembled, and then the other parts are very quick and easy to install. You'll notice that the seat itself is unattached. We do this so you can decide which side of the transfer bench you want it on, depending on where your bathtub is situated. So go ahead and install the seat. You'll see these brackets here, they just attach onto the tubes. Now let's attach the legs. The legs are adjustable, so you're going to want to adjust it to your desired height. You'll see two types of legs, one legs with the suctions and one legs with just the standard tips. The legs with the suctions are going to go on the inside where you're going to have your bath seat in the shower, so the same side as the handle, and the other tips on the other side. So go ahead and turn the bath bench on its side, and you'll see a push button on all of the legs. You're going to push that button, insert the tube, and adjust it to your desired height. So now I'm going to attach the backrest. So once again, you're going to turn the transfer bench over to the side, and you'll see underneath two sets of hole inserts. So you'll notice also the backrest has these push buttons. You're going to insert the entire tube through both sets of the inserts and then lock the push button into place. Now that your back is attached, you can use it as a transfer bench, but it also has that commode option. So it comes with a commode bucket, and that bucket just slides through the back, just like that, to use it as a transfer bench commode as well. All right, there you go. That is the padded transfer bench commode. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.